fellow Nigerians, in the last days of our campaign to elect the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and other key officials, governors, National Assembly members, and State Assembly members. But as a candidate running for the presidency of this country, I want to appeal to you to support me and vote for me. I have a number of reasons why I believe that voting for me will be the right thing for Nigerians at this point in time in our history. First of all, I have worked so hard together with some nationalists and some also late leaders in this country to fight for our democratic rights. In other words, to fight for democracy to return to Nigeria after many decades of military rule. We successfully did that, and we came together again to form the People's Democratic Party. Today, the People's Democratic Party is the oldest party in the history of Nigeria. And we have governed this country before. During the period we governed this country, we recorded the highest growth. We also made Nigeria to be the biggest economy in Africa. And Nigeria was united, peaceful, and prosperous under the administration of the PDP. Today, Nigeria has been deteriorating. We have the highest number of outschooled children. We have the highest number of economic challenges as well as security challenges. No investor from abroad will invest in our country if there is no security, if there is no peace. We will bring back peace. We'll bring back security. We will secure this country. Therefore, I appeal to you to vote for me and vote for PDP. God bless you.